Here is part 2 of Customs Broker Revenue Opportunities. Perhaps the greatest benefit of shipping FCA or ex-works is for the buyer to consolidate smaller shipments as one shipment that would have gone individually from the U.S. suppliers. This could literally save thousands of dollars compared to shipping individually. For ocean moves, the opportunity is there to marry up individual shipments that would have gone LCL as a container load. Air rates go down as more cargo is tendered to the air carrier. It is possible to combine more than one U.S. supplier on one air or ocean consolidation. In addition to saving on freight charges, one consolidated shipment allows for one combined clearance at the destination. The cost goes up every time a new shipment is created. By combining individual shipments, only the fixed documentation and processing costs of one shipment are incurred. This is an example that illustrates 6 LCL individual shipments. Note the cost of $6,928.71. By comparison, consolidating the 6 suppliers for one consignee into a container load, here are the charges, which equal $4,167.75. In this example, the freight savings worked out to be nearly 40% of the shipping charges by shipping 6 supplier shipments as a consolidation instead of individually. The option could exist for you to offer a package for shipping these 6 individual shipments as one consolidation to your import customer. Similar to the profit made by an NVOCC, you could earn a percentage of the savings your import customer would obtain. A 10% markup of the underlying actual consolidation cost could be paid to you for arranging the consolidation in behalf of your import customers. After taking your commission, your import customer still benefits through a significant consolidation savings. To help provide more options to your import customer who is buying on a routed transaction basis, we transparently quote U.S. subcontracted functions at cost, affording you the opportunity to sell at a price the market will bear. The subcontracted functions include U.S. warehousing and drayage services, insurance taken out for the U.S. leg of the move, and U.S. inland where ex-works terms are involved. The U.S. port or airport of loading may impact the international carrier selected. We'll offer options to ensure the optimal U.S. port is selected that also serves the chosen international carrier. The opportunity is there for you to move the international leg of the shipment under your service. Being able to make revenue on the international shipping is one of the beauties of having control under routed transactions. At your request, perhaps to compare to your options, we can provide an international shipping quote as well. HCB has a rather extensive library of international operations information that can be offered to your staff, your import customer, or their suppliers, demonstrating our understanding of U.S. import-export regulations and procedures. We teach freight forwarding and customs brokerage courses. The cornerstone of how we keep track of purchase orders, warehouse cargo receipts, and then create the documents used for shipping the goods overseas is our in-house design and maintained database program we call the PO Wizard. The same individuals at HCB that handle the operations built this program. Many processes and customs forms are continuously updated in-house by our staff. By clicking the link 10 online videos, the details of each aspect of the PO Wizard is explained. This is comparable to commercially offered purchase order management software. Our PO Wizard also creates all shipping documents. A video summarizing the key benefits of the PO Wizard is also available for viewing on our website. What sort of foreign buyer should be approached to benefit from this arrangement? An obvious motivation is the freight savings of consolidating shipments under the routed transaction control. Foreign principals that purchase from multiple U.S. suppliers or from U.S. suppliers with multiple factory locations can benefit by combining various purchase orders at a single U.S. consolidation point. From that consolidation receiving warehouse, the cargo from various suppliers or supplier locations can be combined into one shipment for the foreign consignee. To take advantage of economies of shipping scale, the cargo volume should probably average enough to build at least either one air consolidation or one 20-foot container at the consolidation location each month. Designate Ex-Works or FCA INCOTERMS under a routed export transaction on the PO or sales contract. In this way, the buyer specifies control of the routing from the U.S. at his discretion. Freight costs are always saved with greater weights being shipped together. However, in many cases, the need for individual shipment attention is more important. When the order must be expedited or given white glove attention, employing the services of an FPPI agent working in your behalf can be particularly useful. There is assurance the documentation for the foreign clearance is created properly, and the overall transit time from the U.S. factory to the foreign destination is not jeopardized. Even if the cargo is not consolidated, air express shipments can be routed through our receiving warehouse or can be collected under HCB's direction directly from the supplier. This arrangement provides extra attention to what are often critical shipments. Does the routed transaction FPPI agent arrangement perk interest on your part? If so, provide us with 4 or more recent LCL or air shipments purchased by one import customer from different U.S. suppliers or supplier locations. The proprietary information of seller, buyer, and product values need not be provided, but if they are, we will keep that information in confidence. The package weights and dimensions and product line items are needed. The U.S. supplier's shipping locations are also needed as is the shipping mode and destination port or airport. We will provide a cost report from the supplier's origin locations to the destination port or airport you specify, illustrating consolidated CFR or CPT equivalent terms. After receiving our report, compare the aggregate costs of the individual shipments. Many of the value-added benefits included in this presentation will be reinforced in the report we'll provide. Portions or all of our report should be suitable for sharing with your import customer. If your import customer wants to proceed, new purchase orders could specify routed transaction terms via HCB's consolidation warehouse. A memorandum of understanding between you and HCB will formalize a non-binding relationship. Our complete pricing schedule, inclusive of the warehouse and drayage charges, will be part of the MOU. Our thanks for watching this presentation. We hope to hear from you. All inquiries are warmly welcome.